Hello, today we will see how to create an account and use Gizmo AI artificial intelligence. So Gizmo allows you to create using AI WordPress articles that are promoting Amazon affiliate products. For example, I have this Amazon affiliate product, so it's a caviar gift set for $1,300. And using Gizmo, all I have to do is to input the URL of my product, and it Gizmo created this article automatically using artificial intelligence with affiliate links here by an Amazon, a description, a selection of other products, and yeah, more description, always with Amazon affiliate links. So you can create different kind of articles, and a carousel to buy related products, a list of pros and cons, some relevant articles that you can also, the readers can also read, a conclusion, question and answer, etc. So all this article has been created automatically using Gizmo. So let's see what is Gizmo. So first of all, you have different pricing points. So you can try a trial with $1 for one time. This is what we will do. Or you can have better packs if you need to create more articles. So for example, for $10 per month, you can have 5 articles, etc. So let's get started with $1 trial and see how it works. All we have to do is to create an account using an email address, select your country, blah, blah, blah. Okay, continue. And then we have different means of payment. So I will pay with PayPal if this works. Okay, let's log in. Okay, PayPal balance, complete purchase. And here we go. I am now paying. My transaction has been completed. Okay, that was fast. And I should now have access to Gizmo. Okay, so I have to complete my profile with my email, enter a password. Okay, let's subject the strong password. We'll change it later. We need an affiliate tag. So if you don't have yet an Amazon tag, you should input one. And if we leave it blank, it will put one that will be changed later. So I have an affiliate tag. So this is my Amazon tag. This one, save and continue. Then you can join the Facebook group. You have to download the WordPress plugin. So let's download it. Open a new web page to WordPress admin. Inside WordPress admin, on the left menu, click plugins, add new. So we will do this installation. So I have the plugin installed already. I don't have a token anymore, but I will just make sure that I have the latest Gizmo plugin. So I will deactivate this plugin, the old version, and I will, following what they say, plugins, add new. So here, plugins, add new, upload plugin, browse for the file, it's in the download folder, and click on install now. So this is all normally you have to do to install Gizzmo.ai. So choose file, click upload, click on install now, wait for the installation to process, okay, and then click on the activate button. So activate the plugin and wait for the activation process to complete. Inside the WordPress admin, click on Gizzmo.ai. So here now we have Gizzmo.ai on the left side of the WordPress admin, and here we have to enter a token. So this is my token. Here, enter your token, and here you go. You can now use Gizmo. So once you have entered your token, you can paste the token and click connect. So we have validated the install. We can now continue. Then you need a Gizmo Chrome extension, and from there you will need to navigate to product page on Amazon. And when you're on the product page, you will have automatically the Gizmo plugin that will show. So I have already installed this plugin. If you have not installed it yet, you need to do so. So let's open a new Chrome window. Okay, here go to Amazon.com. On Amazon.com, let's go to any product. For example, let's go to electronics. Let's go to whatever this product. and if the Gizmo plugin is working well. Here, the Gizmo plugin is working fine, and you can see when you browse Amazon and you find a product that interests you to create an article about automatically using artificial intelligence with your affiliate links. All you have to do is to here click on the plus. So we'll not do it right now. We'll do it in another video, but this is all you have to do. Then when you have added a product, you can simply create articles. So as you saw, it was very simple to create an account with Gizmo. It only costs $1. And in another video, we will see how to actually create an article and put your Amazon affiliate links on your website and create from scratch using AI an amazing article promoting some Amazon affiliate products. So for now, create an account with a Gizmo. For $1, you can $1 you can have your account and you can start installing and using the amazing Gizmo artificial intelligence.